everyone, welcome to the Luxe 5th Wheels channel. My name is Kristen. For all of you just checking in, I am a factory direct representative. We are standing outside of our 46 RKB. This is one of our very new models right here. As you can see, it has a very large basement storage here. It's 11 feet. You also have 6 cubbies, 3 on each side. So if you have anything that's smaller you want to put in there, you can do so. There will be mesh lining as well so it doesn't fall down into the center there. Up above here, we have more storage. It's about the size of a mini fridge right there. And you can see on the back here that this is not the traditional end cap. This is a 3-inch thick wall with that graphite infused black foam insulation that's going to be used on all of the other walls as well. And you have a 4-inch bumper here at the end. Dual pane frameless windows. This one does have the 4-camera system on board, which means you'll have 1 camera at the rear, 2 on the sides, and then 1 above the door for security. Coming around over here, you can see that with the Tsunami paint, they went ahead and did the slide room paint. So it just continues that mask along the sides here. This right here is your slide sweeps to make sure that your seal sweeps are going the correct way. All of our slides also have a triple bulb seal slide so that it gives it a nice closure when it is closed up. Coming around here, you can see we have 3 8K axles. It's all independent suspension, no leaf springs whatsoever. On the Elite Series is going to be the more ride independent suspension, so it's going to give you about a 5.5-inch north and south wheelbase travel. You're going to have Kodiak hydraulic disc brakes all the way around as well. Equalizer leveling system. It's going to be much beefier than a lot of those leveling systems out there. It's also going to be held at an angle, that way when you're inside that coach you're not going to be feeling that moving side by side. They did go ahead and do an outdoor entertainment center on this model right here. It's going to have a 43-inch TV. All metal fender skirting, no plastic whatsoever. You have the belt rail right here that's going to cover all of those screws so they're not exposed to the elements. Step above entry stair here. It has the extra 1.5 steps at the top, so it makes it a lot easier when you're carrying those groceries in and out. You have a nice extended grab bar here, so it's easier to get up if you do have the trouble with your knees or anything getting into your coach. You have your AM, FM, Bluetooth radio on the outside here. It's the Jensen system with the marine grade speakers above. That comes standard. Very large pass-through storage right here, as you can see. And looking inside here, this is your in-command component. So this is all the brains for your lighting. And as you can see, it's all nice and neat and labeled. Your wiring is just so tidy. If you take a look inside their service paneling here, you can see all those individual heat runs there. So not just one big racetrack with ducting, you have all individual heat runs. So you're not going to lose any of that heat anywhere in your coach. Very strong, sturdy pass-through doors there for you. 2 40-pound propane tanks, 1 on each side. There's that other camera system I was telling you about. And then on the 46 RKB, you're going to have the Gen Y hitch, which is going to be standard. So this model right here's gross vehicle weight is going to be 27,000 pounds. You're going to roughly have about 3,000 pounds cargo carrying capacity estimated on this one. So it is going to be a bigger unit, much heavier. Overall length is about 4910 from tip to toe there. You can see this one, it has the generator installed on it, and then up there you can also see the equalizer leveling system. So that's for your hydraulic pump. So if you have any issues with your equalizer leveling system, it's all color coded, easy to be serviced there for you. All of our coaches come standard with solar prep. You can add just a couple panels if you'd like to make sure batteries are maintained, or you can do a full boondocker solar package. As I was telling you before, this has the Tsunami paint scheme on it. It has 3 different color paints that you would pick. It's all automotive paint. Even our logos are painted, so no decals on our coaches at all anywhere. Roofs also have a TPO membrane. It's going to be a lifetime warranty on those as well. I'm going to take you inside and show you this brand new floor plan. Welcome to the 46 RKB on the inside here. We are in the front kitchen. Here you can see that you have quite a bit of space for your countertops here. We have 2 different seating areas that you could use for your dinette or bar top. We've seen a lot of people come through here and do different desk options as well, so this is very versatile. This right here is your buffet style seating. This does pull out. It has an additional leaf that you could put here, so if you want to seat 4, you can do so. I've had people switch this out to a pantry area or a hutch, to a desk as well. You can also over here bring this down and on the other side as well, so if you want to have more of a pantry style, you can do that. But plenty of overheads, plenty of storage in this coach. You can see lots of outlets throughout the coach as well. That's one thing we definitely don't skimp on, is lights or outlets. Double bowl stainless sink is standard, or we can do a composite sink. We can also do a single sink as well. You have the tilt out sponge tray. And then the silverware drawer insert here. All of our cabinetry doors and drawers, our drawers are going to be dovetail here. They're soft close, they're Amish handcrafted. You can also see here that they did 2 different tones. So when you order a coach, you can customize it by picking your different colors. You can see that they did the gray and then the beach front over here. Over here they did the 24-inch the 24-inch oven. Induction cooktop is going to be standard. And then you have the 30-inch convection microwave right here. You can also do the 30-inch oven if you'd like, or just the induction cooktop and a separate oven below. Large size LG refrigerator with the ice and water in the door, that's going to be standard. And then here's the other seating for you, the bar top here. It gives you a nice view of the TV. It's very versatile again for computer space right here. You have your wireless charger here, so if you want to set your phone down while you're cooking or while you're just working from home, you can do that. That last video we had, you've seen a beam that was right here. We went ahead and took that away just to give you a better view right here, so nothing's obstructing that view. We also did something a little different here above the TV, gave you more of like a picture window so you can put different vases and whatnot up there. 5,000 BTU fireplace puts off some pretty good heat, and your living room has plenty of seating. Right here you have the sofa that is a hide-a-bed. Over here you have the jackknife sofa, so similar to a futon, and then over here you have the love seat. So again, very versatile with this space. If you don't need the jackknife sofa, you can put a desk there, a hutch. We've had people build things for their cats, their dogs, crates and things like that. So definitely things you can do in there. Ceiling fan, a lot of people like that feature as well. This is a 1.5 bath model, so I'll take you into the half bath here real quick. You can see that they went ahead and did all gray in this bathroom. Another thing that's different from the last video on this one is it doesn't have the full height. We went ahead and did a loft above there, and I'll show you that in the bedroom. So if you have those bulkier items, comforters, toilet paper, things like that, you can put it up there. So I'll just show you that real quick. Come in here, you have 2 different access points here, but here is one right here where you can see it just goes deep in there. You can, again, those bulkier items that you don't need all the time, you can just stow them away in there. King size bed is going to be standard in all of our coaches. You can do a queen if you'd like, and then do the larger end tables. This one also does not have the vanity slide, so you're going to get a lot more storage with this one versus the vanity slide. You do get a little bit more walk space, but you do cut down on that storage then. Coming into the bathroom here, very nice sized bathroom. A lot of people love this feature right here. You got the double vanity sinks. If you don't need a double vanity sink, you can always delete one, do some more cabinetry here. You have the walk-in style closet, dressers on either side with that shoe rack as well. Plenty of height in here. I believe it is 6'6" in height. You have your washer and dryer prep, and then you can add your washer and dryer if you'd like. And then they have the residential paneled shower here, which is a 3-piece with the rainfall, and then you have the wood teak seat. All of our toilets are porcelain. They have the manual flush, or you can add the macerator if you'd like. With the Elite series, you can see the in-command system right here. You have the ASA touchpad so that you can do this right here. You can dim all of your lights, or you can download it on your phone and do it that way as well. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.